In this video, you'll learn how to hire moving help on Taskrabbit. This guide will provide a step-by-step process to efficiently find and book the right assistance for your moving needs. Start by navigating to the Taskrabbit website or opening the Taskrabbit app on your device. Once you are on the home page, you will see options to either sign up or log in. If you already have an account, click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your account. If you are a new user, click on sign up and follow the prompts to create an account. After successfully logging in or creating an account, you will be directed to the main interface. In the search bar, type moving help and press enter. The platform will prompt you to enter your location to find nearby taskers. Input your address or city and click search to see a list of available moving help in your area. Next, you will need to describe your job to potential taskers. Provide details such as the number of rooms in your home, any heavy items that need special handling, the number of floors involved, and the distance between pickup and drop-off locations. This information is crucial for taskers to assess the scope of work and provide accurate quotes. Once you have described your job, browse through the list of taskers who are available. You can compare their hourly rates and read reviews from other users to gauge their moving experience. Pay close attention to ratings and feedback to ensure you choose a reliable tasker for your move. After selecting a tasker, you will need to schedule your moving help. It is advisable to book in advance, particularly for weekends when demand is higher. Choose a date and time that works best for you and confirm your booking. Keep in mind that availability may vary, so act promptly to secure your preferred tasker. Finally, when the job is complete, you will be charged hourly based on the time spent by the tasker. Ensure you have a payment method ready, as payment is processed after the service is finished. This allows you to review the work before finalizing the payment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.